Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the aim panning setting on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and after in the lobby like this you can click setting buttons on the right above over here, and then you can find basic and controls, interface, highlight, sound, network, privacy, and then you can choose controls, and over here you can scroll down a little bit until you find or you see the aim panning, and you can simply turn on the aim panning by clicking on the aim panning, and then you can save it, and it will automatic save it on your Mobile Legends setting. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.